Protest over hike in tollgate fares has intensified. The farmers staged a protest and vandalized an old toll booth. The situation was brought under control after police intervened. Now, R. Ashok and KRV activists are leading the charge as they demand a rollback of the hike. Meanwhile, senior BJP leader was detained by police for creating a law and order situation. In fact, the KIA tollgate has turned into a battlefield as cops and protesters are squaring off. Now, be careful if you're heading to the airport. Now, the steep hike in toll tariff on vehicles bound to KIA by the NHAI has been greeted with a wave of anger from regular road users. Now, commercial vehicles, including cabs and trucks, have decided to indefinitely stay off the roads. The new tariff came into effect on the intervening night of Saturday, Sunday. In fact, I'm joined by my colleague Harish, who is right over there where all the Galata is taking place. Harish, what's the situation now?
Well, the situation is normal right now. All the protesters were taken away early in the morning itself. The police have taken them into detention. The BJP protesters headed by R. Ashok and Bacche Gowda and several other MLAs, or pro-Kannada activist groups headed by Narayan Gowda of the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike, all of them have been moved away from the scene. Right now, you have police presence at every toll booth over here, and there are, although minor altercations or verbal duels between cab drivers and toll collectors every now and then. The police are stepping in and bringing things back to normalcy, and there's no traffic snarl as such right now. People who are heading to the airport, people coming back from the airport, right now there is no traffic snarl, Nolan.
Now, Harish, what about the toll booth that was damaged? Because yesterday, the DCP over there stated that they have enough police personnel to see to it that such incidents don't take place.
Well, the toll booth that was damaged was the old toll booth, not the new one. There was a lesser security deployment at that particular toll booth. That's the reason we saw farmers going over there and damaging the toll booth over there. But this particular toll booth, which you get after heading out from the Kempegowda International Airport, there is heavy police presence here, and the things are under control, Nolan.
And Harish, what about the indefinite strike by cabs and trucks? Do you see cabs still moving on the road?
Well, Nolan, remember this indefinite strike is from the 9th of this month. So as of now, the cabs are going on, although there are, as I mentioned, occasional altercations between the cab drivers and the toll collectors, but still the cab service is on. On the 9th is when several of these associations, Maxi Cab Association, Airport Taxi Association and several other organizations have called for an indefinite strike. But nevertheless, that will depend on what is the outcome of a meeting that is likely to take place in a short while from now, where the Chief Secretary and several other secretaries of the PWD department, the Road Transport Department and several associated departments are meeting in a short while from now to decide what can be done. It will be interesting to see how the state government tackles this particular issue, considering the fact that there are several national organizations as well as state organizations that are involved in this entire infrastructure project, Nolan.
Right, Harish, I'm going to place you on hold over there. Now, PWD Minister Mahadeva Par today held a meeting and said that it wasn't necessary for commuters to use the highway. He said that people can also use the service road and avoid paying the toll fee. Now, Harish, coming back to you, now I want to ask you about this particular statement that was made by the PWD Minister. He said that it's not necessary for commuters to use the highway. He says that people can use the service road and avoid paying the toll fees. Then what's the use of the highway then?
Well, before we discuss that one, Nolan, it clearly looks like our PWD minister definitely did not visit this toll plaza, or perhaps hasn't been to the airport after this particular toll collection has started. If you come over here at this particular toll plaza, there is absolutely no service road. Looks like the PWD minister hasn't visited the spot either, or is not reading the newspaper, or is not watching the media. That is one of the major bone of contention that several of these cab drivers have, that if they are provided with a service road, they would opt for a service road, and they do not want to take the toll plaza or the toll road. The problem over here is the state government has failed to implement a service road, and they have also failed to demand that the organization, that's Navyug Infrastructure, which is implementing this expressway, start or have a service road for this entire project. There is no service road. The state government is duty bound to provide a service road, which hasn't been done. So that is one of the major issues. So clearly, it looks like the state PWD minister hasn't been informed as well as he should have been, Nolan.
Now, any sort of information that you have for those who are traveling to the airport, is it safe?
Well, it is completely safe with a heavy deployment of security, although there might be minor issues for people who are coming out from the airport towards the city. There are altercations every now and then at the toll plaza, but apart from that, no major issue, no major law and order issue, Nolan.
Right, Harish, thank you very much for all those details.